Hey, my chickadees. Welcome back to the Back 40. Okay, I did it. I made me a busted journal card and tag. Okay, so here it is. Isn't it cute? I took a base and put some Mamagami gel printing in the background. Then I put this little card over it. It's a little vintage Valentine. And I put that over it. Made a little tag and decoupage a napkin over that with some eyelash trim. And it slides right behind the card. Then I took some vintage, I don't think it's antique, music paper, and cut it out and busted it open. You know, made the star and busted it open. And that's some little eyelash trim down here at the bottom hanging out from the top. And that's the front. And then on the back, you have it. And I like the way the little tips wrap around. It's cute, makes the points. And then you have just your journaling spot. And on that one, I had where I folded the music paper over it. And I put a doily, the center of a doily down for writing. And it's embossed. And you can see the music paper from behind it. And then just put a little vintage lace up across the top of it. And that is our busted journal card with a tag. Isn't it so cute? I'm like busted crazy, aren't I? Cute, 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 cute. Okay, thank you. Bye.